MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, Rain-X, Hum by Verizon, State Farm, and WeatherTech.
New cars have an amazing array of high-tech features, but what if your car doesn't have exactly what you want? Well, you might be able to find it in the aftermarket. Now, one of those things, of course, is that new cars come with backup cameras. Well, we have Mark Miller from Westminster Speed and Sound to give us some pointers. Mark, welcome to Goss's Garage.
Thanks, Pat.
All right, what do we have here?
So we've got some different examples of products. So that is an example of a license plate frame camera that mounts at the top of the license plate, and then all you see is the camera. Over there on the Golf is an example of a complete license plate frame style system.
All right, and here?
That is a module made by Nav TV that actually talks on the vehicle's CAN bus network and allows you to have a backup camera image displayed in a color screen, just like we did on this Mercedes.
All right, and this one?
That is a lip mount style camera that's designed to very much mimic the cosmetics and the performance of a factory camera.
All right. Now, not all cars have the center screen or any type of a screen. What do you do then?
So then you have to come up with something alternate. So this is an example of a replacement rear view mirror that has an embedded LCD monitor in it that comes to life whenever you put the vehicle in reverse and shows the backup camera image.
Okay, and the big camera?
That is a commercial camera, so that's a little different. It's got to take a lot more abuse being in a commercial environment. It has to work really well at night. There's even a microphone in it so the driver can actually hear what's going on behind him when he's backing up.
All right, now we have some people who have had front mount cameras. You do those?
We do. Normally we'll install a little micro switch, and when you get close to a curb, you just tap that button, and now you can see that 2 feet right in front of the camera.
Ah, pretty neat. Now, other things that you have here in the Toyota.
Yes, so this is a 2010 model, so it doesn't actually have the capability of CarPlay or Android Auto when it was new. So we retrofitted an Alpine 9-inch system to give that feature set, and then that big, beautiful display now also has a backup camera.
Now, we have a lot of clients who are really seriously interested in blind spot monitoring. Do you do those?
We do. And it's typically done one of two ways. It's either a camera system that mounts on the side of the vehicle and displays in your color screen in the dash, or it's a monitoring system that uses little LEDs and an audible alert to let you know if there's somebody in your blind spot.
Pretty neat. Mark, thank you. And if you have a question or a comment, drop me a line right here at MotorWeek.